Hi everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to access Hoopla, which is this really awesome resource that allows you to access a lot of ebooks and audiobooks and movies and everything like that. It's really cool. So we're going to start off on the Brentwood Library website, which is brentwoodnylibrary.org. And once you have that, you will see this page, and right at the top it has library services available online. So we have a lot of cool stuff available here. In addition to Hoopla, lots of other stuff, but I'm going to start with Hoopla. So you just click on that, and then it's going to ask you to log in. So if you don't have an account, you're just going to have to put in your email and password. Right, let's see, agree, awesome. So then you have to put in the Brentwood Public Library, and then you have to put in your library card number. It's the number that's on the back of your card that starts with 20615. And sign me up. Awesome. So there you go. So now you can see you can borrow up to 6 titles each month. So that's really cool. There's no limit on, like, if I have Charlotte's Web out, you guys can also take out Charlotte's Web. So for example, if you wanted to watch the movie Charlotte's Web, you would click on it and you can click borrow, and it will be available for 2 days after you borrow it. And you can even download it to your mobile device if you want to watch it. If you want to download it on Wi-Fi and then watch it later when you don't have Wi-Fi. So you would click borrow title, and there you go. So when you go into My Hoopla, you can see the things that you currently have out, and it tells you how long you have it for, and you can click play, and then it'll start playing. So we're not going to watch the whole thing now, but you can browse. They have audiobooks available. They have movies, as we've seen with Charlotte's Web. They have music and comics and regular ebooks and even TV shows. So this is a really awesome resource. I would really suggest you all to try it out. Every library card can get 6 titles, so if you have family members and you want to watch a TV show together, you can take turns using different library cards. It's really fun. So I hope you guys use this, and if you have any questions, you can always call us at the library to let us know, okay? Thanks! See you soon!